sing. But that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
पयलीं काजराच्या माटवान तुमकां कोणे तरी भाशण दिलेलें 25 वर्सांनी हें काबार जावंक ना आतां फुडलें जिवीत तुमकां सारूंक I have a very big personality which is among us. That's none other than Anthony De Silva, who is very well known. So हांव उपकार मागता Anthony sir, please.
सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं आनी फ्रेडी आनी एनीक सांगतो म्हळ्यार जायते आहा कित्याक मुगे मोर देन 25 years जाली आय हॅव एक्सपिरियन्स लायफ बट कित्याक एवरी हाऊस होल्ड इज डिफरंट एक कडेन लिसांचें वाचलेलें जेन्ना एक घोडो when we go to buy a horse घोडो इंकोत घेतो त्या घोड्या हुंय पयले दांत चोयता he looks at the teeth of the horse दांताचे ते कोटा हो घोडो चलतलो चलोच ना नको एनीन फ्रेडीगे दांत चोयले फ्रेडीन एनीगे दांत चोयले कित्याक दोगोय घोडोय धांवपी आनी घोडी धांवपी नंबर 1 नंबर 2 एनी आनी फ्रेडी केन्ना म्हणटा जोरी तर एक रुखा फळां बरें हाय जाय तूं तो रूख ऑटोमॅटिकली बाय डिफॉल्ट आमी म्हणटा रूख बरो बऱ्या रुखाक बरी फळां So तेगे तीग जावन भुरग्यांचो I don't know much about Annie, I don't know much about Freddie, but I know these three children, that boy and both these beautiful girls. I'm in love with these children. I used to admire this big girl when she was in 9th standard. तेगे स्वभाव आनी मुगे सोयी चडशी भुरगीं इस्कला वयता दोनू नोट कोता सो वेन आई न्यू दिस गर्ल पूण म्हाका खबर नासलोली म्हाजे मागे भावागे चेडूं सो हांवें तिगांय चोयलें I understood who they are. Now I can give my conclusion about Freddie and Annie. Don't feel hurt. That's a fact. Team Bormudich, you all are definitely very good. So भितर सिस्टम on the spot prize so I acquaint the Baba, what you see so wonderful in your parents? Love. I mean, love you can explain good. Yeah, explain how no good. They love. They love whom? They love each other. They love you. They love me only. So that shows how much love these both parents, with all the differences among a husband and wife. Because I'm not here to talk about negativity. That Prince Charles and Lady Diana also had differences. Indira Gandhi had differences with her husband. I had differences with my wife. And we all have to have a differences that makes the marriage more beautiful. So the ultimate sacrifice is they love their children unconditionally. Very important. That is what their son said. Then I came to both their daughters. See, I know they both are very good to us. Whatever may be going through, but they'll see that they make us very comfortable every time we are there at home. There is hope. So and love complete Jala. See, this is spontaneous, huh? There is love and there is hope. What is she left? Love, hope and
Peace.
faith. There was faith. Itko hapni dola inside. What can you tell about your parents? And you know what she said? She said, sir, you know what? My parents, they bother about what others are going through, what others are lacking, but they themselves will not want to see what is less in them than keep on that and but they have faith that through that this family will be bonded together. And more important, I will not surround it toast only to Freddie and Annie. I want to bring in Mario inside. I'll tell you why with his wife and children. This is one of the few families आजकल हमका एक joint family में डिस्के बढ़ता है. So very important. A joint family, I'll tell you, takes 80% of your stress and burden. Nuclear families, there are more stress, more problems, isolation, self-differences, and these things about a big unrest within the children. जरी तर एक माल जायतो on demand teacher बरी तरी वयतलो सांगतात. So there is somebody. So we have where we can put our head on the shoulders of my close ones. And I always seen them there together. Sometimes it is difficult to differentiate. And above all, this young lady, I don't know what she's doing now, she always has complaints. But the complaints are of love and again ekwa kitne to tiroglos. So she's one who wants to be caressed, loved. That is because they gave that love to her. So love, she's asking and demanding for love. So in overall, there is love, faith, hope. And this will unite them for another 100 years. They were very good. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं सर एंथनी तुझ्या मोलादी
For your blessings on me, there's a roof up above me, I'm a good place to